building another outdoor shower right here by the camper. This shower bag was bought at, what was it, Bass Pro?
Yeah, probably.
And it's great little shower bag. We used it last summer down where the camper used to be. Put this pallet here so we're not covered in mud, standing in mud while showering. Tracy's helping Daddy build it. Or just barking at him as he builds it. So I grabbed this from inside the camper. It was our winter rug. We don't really need it anymore, so it's got like rubber on the back here. And whatever this is, carpet. I don't know. Anyway, we'll give it a try over here. Oh yeah! Fits right over your little wooded area. Yeah, it fits perfect over there.
That's cool.
Nice. Gets that thing out of my house because Sam feels the need to roll all over it and it is not clean. Tracy's testing it in the shower. What do you think, Trace? What do you think, Tracy? And we plan to, in the future, get a rain barrel. We were just saying, build something around here and put a rain barrel on it so we always have water and don't have to get up, climb up to fill this bag.
Mm-hmm. It's going to be awesome.
It'd be so cool. And it's right beside our fire pit. Take a shower, well, beside the fire.
Yeah. Fire pit might get moved.
So we just went down a little deeper in the land where the camper used to be and collected these logs or whatever from the shower we had created down there, and then other ones just laying around on the road, like the laneway down there. We just picked some up, threw them in the back of the side-by-side, and we're going to use them to build like a little stick wall around the shower. Hey.
Yeah.
And throw. We already did a full workout this morning, a weight training session and sprints, and now doing this for the rest of the day. We're just going to go up to the front now and grab a couple of posts, at least one that we had up there, and pound them in. So Jeremy grabbed this out of like a junk pile on the way into our house, and he put it here as like a little step for me to be able to reach up and turn the shower on and off. So that's cool. I was just sitting in a junk pile. Utilize everything we have on the land, and there's a lot of stuff. These poles we had bought to put a chain up at the front of the property, and then we had to take them down like almost instantly because we had a truck come in to like widen up the roadway so we could get in with the camper and everything.
So this here is a post pounder. Works pretty good, as you just seen. We'll put a link in the description for it.
And this is like super rocky, hard ground, and those things like work great to get that in. It's awesome. Nice. See how smooth that thing works?
Yeah. Clearly it's not going through rock. Making that rock there now though. That's probably solid enough once we tie it.
Pretty cool little rig.
It's pretty good.
You guys gotta see this dog.
Yeah.
She just loves it out here. Tracy! Tracy! What are you doing? What are you doing? Sound funny. And cute. We caught a dog on the rope. It's like fishing. We fish for a dog. What are you doing, Tracy?
It's just refreshing with slight privacy.
Slight privacy, yeah.
Probably get the friggin' chainsaw today. I think it's like inevitable at this point.
So we got the frame done, as you can see here, and now we just have to put all the logs in up and down on this section and this section over here to form our walls. Pretty excited! So in order to get up to refill the shower bag every time we use it, we have the ladder there right now, but we are going to build a wood one that will remain there permanently. So here is the finished project. Our outdoor shower. Right by
At
the
least
camp.
until we get the big barrel.
Yeah, at least until we get a big barrel to hang up there. So you will notice that we shoved our mailbox in there. We no longer needed our mailbox at the front. We moved it for winter because we were told the plow just will knock it over. And to be honest, they don't deliver our mail out here anyway. It was just like a decorative piece. So we put it in here so we could put soap in it. We just open it up and get our soap out. Our little loofah there, the towel there. Pretty awesome setup. Open door, no door, open area. Spot for the towel. Here's the shower.